Today we're going to be talking about luxury. We're going to be talking about Paris. We're going to be talking about Hermes. Today we're going to be talking about a product that you may not have noticed because Apple has teamed up once again with Hermes. And in order to discover it, all you have to do is go to Apple's website. I am, of course, referencing the most expensive, most luxurious Apple Watch. You've heard of the Apple Watch Series 7. Everybody's wearing one of these, but they're all boring. Every single one, you look for this word, not Nike. Skip Nike, not luxurious enough, and go right down to Hermes. Then you will see the premium Apple products. $2,249. Now, hey man, I like leather. Look at that. That's leather. This is leather. Shout out to dbrand, actually. They just put out their own leather products. That's what I got on this. These are Canadian prices, by the way, but they're still very expensive. And I don't care what currency. You could pay Bitcoin if you want. They're still going to be pricey. The stainless steel case is durable and polished to a shiny, mirror-like finish. And the Gourmet Double Tour strap features the iconic Hermes chain in supple, handcrafted leather and wraps gracefully twice around the wrist. You pay an extra $1,000 for the second wrap. And in case you're unfamiliar with Hermes, I can always educate you in general by going to their site. This season, the men's shoe collection is a breath of fresh air. Iconic details, innovative know-how, and supple materials. They like the word supple. You pay money for the word supple. Equestrian and dog... Wow, the saddle process. Look at this guy. Are you seeing that sideburn? And the mustache? I have an appreciation for craftsmanship. I watch videos of guys just making things and stitching things. I actually do that. That's a $10,000 saddle. Jogging pants, $2,150 with leather detail. Let's go ahead and get a sense for the most luxurious of all Apple unboxing experiences, which is anytime the Apple logo is put onto an orange Hermes box. Most expensive of all the current series Apple Watches. This thing looks so small on my wrist. It only comes in a 41 millimeter size, actually. Oh, it's not even gonna fit around my wrist with the double loop. Who has a slender wrist? All right, so it's on the last rung. It actually fits on Kirk's wrist. It doesn't fit on mine at all. I don't think I was the target audience for this particular strap, but it is very beautiful and elegant. And damn, I mean, if people see it and they know anything about Apple and Hermes, then, well, they know you dropped 2 G's on it, at least in Canadian funds, or slightly over 2 G's. And they did also include like a sportier orange colored silicone, I believe. What about this partnership? It's a bit odd, but you know Apple cares about having that luxury perception. It says Hermes here on the actual watch. Series 7 Hermes. And I don't think that there's an unlimited number of these. Made in France. You gotta pay if you want something made in France. Bottom line. So now we have the combination complete. The most expensive, most luxurious Hermes edition Apple Watch and the most expensive, most limited matching Hermes Apple AirTag. Now, what about leather for the rest of us? The brand just launched some brand new skins. Very easy to apply. Actual genuine leather. Here you can see it on the 15-inch MacBook Pro. We have the black variant applied to this Z Fold 3. They've got leather skins for your Nintendo Switch. Of course, the iPhones are also supported. This is a nice fit in the brown. I'm wearing currently the lighter color to match the MacBook, except on the Pixel. So many devices supported. When you buy one of these, you get a little keychain tag as well and a cleaning cloth, part of the limited edition drop. And of course, I've got it on the 14-inch MacBook Pro over there as well. These will not cost you $2,000. They'll cost you a lot less, and they're still genuine. They're not from Paris, though.
This episode is sponsored by Clean My Mac, your Mac as good as new. Clean My Mac has millions of users all around the world in 185 countries and at least one user in Antarctica. Well, imagine that. That's a nice little tidbit. It has been a trusted app for more than 12 years since its launch. The app's most popular feature is a smart scan. It examines your system for system log files and user cache that is no longer needed. Smart Scan also does a quick malware check and runs optimization tasks to speed up your Mac, and all of these will only take a couple of seconds. The new macOS Monterey is compatible with Clean My Mac from the 25th of October, and installing the new macOS requires a lot of storage on your Mac. Use Clean My Mac to free up the space and upgrade to the latest macOS. Space Lens is another great feature that allows you to see what files are taking most of the space. Another superpower of Clean My Mac is the optimization feature, which helps you increase your Mac's performance by controlling what app and processes are running on it. Clean My Mac features powerful protection modules with malware removal, so you can scan your MacBook for cryptocurrency miners, viruses, adware, and remove them instantly. Man, I hope you would know if you had a cryptocurrency miner running in the background over there. But if for whatever reason you didn't, somebody installed it on there or something, try to trick you, this one's gonna bring it up. It has beautiful design, and Clean My Mac has just won a Red Dot Award and UX Design Award. You can try Clean My Mac for free right now using the link down in the description of the video. So click there, give it a shot, and see what's going on inside, deep within your Apple computer, your MacBook, or otherwise. Maybe you even got one of these new MacBooks. That'd be nice.